Which gym is a better deal? The one with a $50 sign-up fee plus $5 per visit, or the one with no fee but $10 per visit? You could guess and test, or you could use algebra to find the exact break-even point. This is the power of solving equations where the variable is on both sides. The entire game is about one thing: grouping. Your mission is to get all the variable terms, the x's, together on one side of the equal sign and all the plain numbers on the other. Think of it like a balanced scale. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other to keep it level. Here's the pro tip. Always find the smaller variable term and move that one first. In an equation like 5x plus 3 equals 2x plus 12, the smaller term is 2x. To move it, we do the inverse, subtract 2x from both sides. Suddenly, you have 3x plus 3 equals 12. You've turned a complex problem into a simple two-step equation you already know how to solve. What if there are negative terms, like a minus 5x? The rule doesn't change. The inverse of subtracting 5x is adding 5x to both sides. And what about brackets? Even easier. Expand them first using the distributive law before you move anything. Get rid of the brackets, and the problem underneath is one you can handle. So, back to our gems. The equation is 5x plus 50 equals 10x. We move the smaller variable, 5x. Subtract it from both sides, we get 50 equals 5x. Divide by 5 and x equals 10. That's our answer. At exactly 10 visits, both gyms cost the same. Go more than that and the first gym is cheaper. Algebra just gives you a precise, powerful tool for making real-world decisions.